Stop, no way. I have spent months slowly compiling a whole bunch of different like summery recipes, and today is the day. Summer snacks. And I feel like the first recipe just screams summer. Pina Colada Dip. Tell me what part of that is bad. I'm waiting. It seems pretty straightforward too. I feel like this would be like a fun snacky dip thing to have for like kids or adults. I mean, I would like it. Obviously there's no alcohol in this, but I need my little hand mixer guy. Okay, ingredients. Starting with 1 1/4 cup of cold milk. And to that, we're gonna add in 3/4 cup of pineapple yogurt. Then coconut cream pudding mix, 1 whole thing of it. And then we must mix it, whisk it for 2 minutes. All right, 2 minutes go.
A few minutes later.
Timer done. And now what we need to do is we need to fold in the Cool Whip adjacent product. This is thawed. Pop that right in. Oh, there's something incredibly satisfying about the consistency of this. And then we're going to fold. So obviously we don't want to lose all the fluffiness. And then once you're done the folding, you want to cover and refrigerate for about 2 hours to like let everything meld together. Into the fridge we go. Now while that's going in the fridge, before we get into the next recipe, guess who went on a little summer trip? My Away luggage. Today's video is sponsored by Away, and if you are unfamiliar, they're a travel lifestyle brand. They do a ton of luggage, bags, organization, you name it. I found everything just to be really thoughtfully designed. I loved it. We took it to Rome, obsessed. This is the Everywhere bag in jet black. Loved it so much that Lo and her family actually borrowed this bag as well as this is the bigger carry-on, and this is in Coast Blue. Like, look at that color. Is that not stunning? Obsessed. This bag, Lo and her husband deemed the Mary Poppins bag. You can fit so much stuff into this. There's tons of compartments, spaces for everything. I don't think I mentioned it last time, but they have like a cushioned outer zip pocket where you can put your laptop, iPad. This would be really good for work too, to make it, you know, functional in different ways in your life. It meets the airline requirements for a personal item, which is important, and it fits perfectly underneath the seat in front of you. Beautiful fit. And this thing is lightweight, super smooth gliding, but not only that, again, family of 4 going away, 3 days, they fit everything. Outside of like, there was like noise machine and their daughter's pillow, like that kind of thing in like a little bag, but everything else for all of them fit into there. So we've been absolutely loving them. If you want to get 10% off your first order of Away, you can click the link in the description or scan the QR code to check out Away. And now let's go on to the next recipe, which is carrots. So many carrots, but so insanely viral. So we need to start by ribboning some carrots. I don't know if ribbon's the right word, but that's what I'm gonna go with. This recipe exploded online. I actually originally saw someone talking about how you need to try Cassie's carrot salad. And so I was like, well, I need to go and watch her video, and I did, and it looks incredible. But we need to peel and ribbon, I don't know if that's the right word, a lot of carrots. And it just had a bunch of stuff in there that, like, there was no measuring. It was just very easy breezy, kind of throw some stuff in, which is terrifying if you've never tried a recipe before. But then once you get the hang of it, you're like, yeah, just, you know, measure with your heart. It's fine, it's not baking. So we're gonna peel off the outside, and then we wanna do ribbons. And like, I mean, it's not rocket science. You just kind of, you're just gonna ribbon all these like little bits. And then we're gonna cover it with some stuff. Hold while I spend 4 million years. This looks so delicious though. Is that weird? I don't know what it is about carrot ribbons, butter ribbons, anything that you can ribbon like this just looks extra delicious. I don't know what to tell you. So hold on 1 second while I do this to 4 million freaking carrots. Okay, I have carrots, so many ribbons. And then to this, okay, again, there were no measurements here, so I'm just kind of eyeballing it a little bit. It looked like 1 clove of garlic, so I got that. And then 2 green onions, ish. Just kind of measure it depending on how many carrots you're doing, I guess. And then you're gonna add in a bunch of sesame seeds. Again, like she just did, just like a bunch, I don't know. Then sesame oil, a little bit of soy sauce, some chili crisp. I need a spoon for this, depending on how like spicy you want this, I guess. And then she did a bunch of rice vinegar because she said she wants it to be like very pickly, like a pickly forward kind of a vibe. So I'm gonna go with that, and then I'm going to mix it. Hopefully I get the mix right. I don't know, it doesn't look the same. I think it needs more soy sauce. Do a little bit more of this. It's the only problem with eyeballed recipes. It's like, I want to taste what everyone's tasting, but I don't know if I'm putting in the right amounts of everything. Hey, Christopher, you want to try something and also help me? I got a carrot salad. It's supposed to be very pickly and a little bit spicy. It's got a lot of stuff in it. You want to try it?
Kinda.
But I feel like I want to make sure I'm like doing it right. I don't really know what it's supposed to taste like. I have only eyeballed measurements. What is it missing? More spice? I did less spice.
More spice.
Okay.
Yep. And needs more sesame oil. That's what that is. Yep. I can see what they're going for there. I mean, that is good.
Yeah, I'm excited about it. That's good.
Yep.
Ooh, carrot on your nose.
No, it's fine.
I got it.
That's really nice.
I could even add more spice if you
Oh,
wanted
yeah.
a little bit
Oh,
more
yeah.
spicy, you know? I was trying to err on the side of caution because I didn't want it to be like too spicy. Maybe I'll save some for the kids first before I add more spice.
Yeah.
Because I think they will like this, but they will not like it if it's super spicy. But yeah, it's like, it's pickly. It's got the soy sauce in it. The crunch is really nice. The green onions add a lot. It's really
Garlic
good.
is good. Yeah. Yeah, that's very tasty. I like that a lot.
I
That's
can see
a good
why.
find.
Yeah, like I can see why so many people are eating like 7 carrots. Just like, I just sit here and eat the whole thing. Yeah, I get it. I get it. This is delicious. Okay, the next one is a fun one, and I have saved this for a while now to test it out. In the summertime. It only felt appropriate. For that, I need to bring out the air fryer. And I feel like I do some version of this every single year, and it always amazes me. I always find something that I like about it. We're doing s'mores, but not like how you think we're doing them. Because we are going to be using Rice Krispie treats. I've wanted to put Rice Krispie treats in the air fryer for so long now. I saw it and I was like, that's genius, brilliant. But then somebody took that to the next level, and then they took those and they put marshmallows and chocolate on top. I need to know if it works. Now they used the packaged ones, which you could for sure do. And I don't know if it's not gonna work because I did homemade, but I really wanted Rice Krispie treats. So I made some. I feel like this way I can also decide how big of a s'more I want. So we're gonna spray this down. Step 1. I have preheated this. It needs to go 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 to 3 minutes. So we're going to do that. Oh, please don't burn, please don't burn, please don't burn. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, it says it's done. Stop, no way. That's so cool. Okay, I didn't really know if I would get that level. I was like, oh, you know, it's fine. I got my hopes up, guys, is what I'm trying to say. Turns out it actually works. That's incredible. Okay, the recipe, the video said you need to let it rest in the thing for 5 to 7 minutes. Don't touch it because it's just going to disintegrate in your hands. So I'm going to do that. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Like, I cannot believe that worked. That worked so well. So much better than I even thought. That's amazing. Okay, it's been some time. I have flipped them over. Now we're gonna put some chocolate on one side. Again, kind of depending on how how big the Rice Krispie is. I wanna do it enough, but I don't want it to like melt over the side, you know? This feels good once it like melts down and stuff. I could be wrong, but that feels right. And then on the other one, we're gonna cut a marshmallow in half. I'm gonna place it down. I'm gonna do 2 because I decided to make extreme ones. Okay, and these go for another 2 minutes. While this is doing its thing, we're gonna make another dip, but this time savory. And it's like this guac feta thing, and I just feel like my kids are going to go nuts for this. So I have everything, I've prepared everything except the guac itself. Literally just taking a whole bunch of avocados and I'm just gonna mash them. That took me 2 minutes just to scoop out. Jeez. Well, let's see. Ooh, I mean, it's looking good. Let me see about if the chocolate is melted. Oh yeah. Yep. Okay, and then again, we need to let this sit for like a couple of minutes, which is perfect. Thank you, air fryer. You can go over here now. We're gonna mash up all these avocados. My kids have been really into avocado toast. They've just turned into millennials overnight. And then I'm sure you can make it as smooth as you want. Like she said super smooth, but like I kind of like a lumpier guac myself. So something like this more speaks to me. And then to this, I'm gonna add in some garlic, lime juice. You can add in jalapeno if you're gonna do that, but my kids don't like spicy and they like guacamole, so. Salt. I'm gonna mix that together. Then in a separate bowl, we're gonna do the sort of feta corn mixture. It looked really good. I swear I just put guacamole all over my face. Hopefully not. You can use fresh corn, you can use frozen corn. I don't think it really matters. I cooked mine up for a bit and then cooled it. I'm gonna say that much. And then some red onion. I'm using less than her because I'm kind of eyeballing it because not all of my avocados are ready. Then some cilantro, if you like cilantro, which I personally do. And then more lime juice and some crumbled feta. Using my clean hands to do this. Some salt in there. And then I'm just gonna mix this together. So now I have my avocados and now I'm gonna put this kind of on top in the middle. Kind of like that, I guess. Oh, and I need to put the thing together now. Actually, I'm gonna do that first. Oh, yep, are you kidding me? Oh my gosh, I almost put chocolate right into my guacamole. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, I got a plate. This feels better. Like, look at that. Oh my gosh, it looks incredible. Incredible. Don't know how I'm gonna eat this, but I'm gonna try. Wait, that's really good. Hold on, This is really good, actually. So the Rice Krispy, like it's crunchy, but it still has that gooiness in the center. So it plays really nicely with the marshmallow and the chocolate, and it's not too hard, but it still adds a little bit more than just a graham cracker. That's really good. I'm just saying that absolutely, I will 100% be doing that at the cottage. 100%. Christopher, look what I made.
Ooh.
Try that, and then we can try this.
They're similar in a lot of ways.
So similar.
Both healthy.
Yeah. Like if that's not happening in the cottage, I don't want it. You know what I'm saying?
That's just a good idea.
Right? Now we have this like fun concoction here that I'm excited about. And I get all the layers in it. Very different on the heels of that.
Feta?
Yeah, feta. Feta, corn, cilantro. You want more salt, don't you? I put a lot
I
in.
don't think it would be hurt by it, but with the chip, this chip is salty, so I mean, it's there. It's really nice. Yeah.
There's something a little bit different with the guac. And like I like the feta and the corn and like it all has a good dynamic there.
It's still primarily guac, but you're getting some other notes in there, which is fun.
It was delicious.
I like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not mad
I'd
at
eat more of that.
Right? I
Kids
know.
will probably have some of that.
100% they will.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm like very, like I ate like a little bit because I know they're going to annihilate this.
Yeah, they're going to destroy
Annihilate.
that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you.
That was
Those are
so good. Yeah. Oh, and actually this is perfect timing. Christopher, I need you back again because I have some dip. Another dip. She said you can top it with cherries. I don't want to do that. Or like toasted coconut, which we do have. And I feel like this will be a nice, I like toasted coconut a lot. So I feel like this will be really good.
Especially with pineapple,
Right? Okay. There's different things you can dip with it. There's like obviously a little wafers,
Ooh.
cookies, I don't know what they are, cookies. And then pineapple.
Nice.
You know?
Absolutely.
Some different options. Dip.
Yep.
100% that's pina colada.
Really good. Really good. Yeah. I don't know which I like it more with.
It's
Better,
both
better
good.
keep trying.
Yeah. We'll have to find out. Then you can make a big batch and then just take some out and throw some into a little bowl with a whole bunch of different types of fruit, the little crackers, and I bet Teddy Grahams would be really good with this. I
Oh,
put
for
Teddy
sure.
Grahams with everything, but like,
They're just a little small to dip. You're not getting a lot of dip per gram.
I mean, it depends on how much you like the dip. Maybe you want to take a spoonful of dip and
I
put
guess so. Yeah.
a Teddy Graham on top.
I like it more with the pineapple, but
Okay.
this is good.
They're both really tasty. Honestly, I think I nailed it with these recipes today. Love when that happens.
Very successful batch.
Yeah.
Nicely done.
Yeah. No, thank you. Thank you. I love days like today. Not only was like the first like summery recipes, but then also they were all really good. I mean, love when that happens. As expected, my 3 children just annihilated all of that. In case you were wondering, Chris and I had none. This is what we get. Let me know if you're gonna try any of these or if you've tried any of these, and if there are any other recipes, tag me on social. Would love to see them. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. New videos here every single Saturday. Would love to see you back. Check out the recipes. I will link them all down below. You can check out these videos on the side in case you have missed any. And that is all. I hope you guys are having a fantastic, fantastic day, and I will see you guys all in the next one.